In this video, we will discuss what to do during a plumbing emergency in Calgary. Plumbing emergencies can be overwhelming and occur at any time of the day, but with the right steps, you can minimize the damage and prevent further problems. Here's what you need to know. The first step during a plumbing emergency is to identify the problem. Is it a leaky faucet, a burst pipe, or a clogged drain? Knowing the issue can help you take the correct steps to address it. For example, if it's a burst pipe, shutting off the main water supply is critical to prevent flooding. Plumbing emergencies can be complex and require the assistance of a professional plumbing company. Don't hesitate to call for help. A reputable plumbing company can provide prompt and efficient solutions, minimizing the repair costs and downtime. In the case of severe emergencies, call 911. While waiting for the plumber or emergency services to arrive, take precautions to prevent further damage. Turn off the electricity in the affected area, if necessary, and move any valuable items away from the water source. Mop up any standing water and use towels to absorb the excess moisture. Finally, take steps to prevent future plumbing emergencies. Regular maintenance, such as checking for leaks and updating old plumbing fixtures, can minimize the risk of an emergency. Furthermore, it's essential to know where your main water shutoff valve is located in case of future emergencies.